Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this is the day 2 of Linux tutorials. In previous video, we saw the concept of Linux basics and Linux directory structure. From day 2 onwards, we are going to see all the Linux commands which are useful in your day-to-day task. So let's start the video. As you can see here, I have already created the Linux EC2 instance. Let's hit on connect. This is the default user, EC2-user. This is the default user of this Linux EC2 instance. Okay, click on connect. Okay, now I am inside the Linux EC2 instance. Let's switch the user sudo -i. Okay, let's go to the root level. Okay, do ls. Let me clear the screen first and I will do ls here. Okay, so these many directories are present inside root level. Okay, so this is the root level directory. So I recommend you to watch that video, day 1 video first. After that you can watch this video. Okay, so first command is cd. Okay, so by using cd command we can change the directory. Suppose I want to go inside opt directory. So by using cd command I can go inside this opt directory. So let me show you cd opt and hit enter. Do ls. See, I am inside opt directory. Now I want to go inside home directory. Currently I am inside opt directory. From here I want to go inside home directory. For that I need full path of this home directory. So what is the full path of this home directory? So home directory's full path is root level, after that home, right? Then I can type here cd this root, then the home. Okay, hit enter. See, now I switch to the home directory. So previously I was in opt directory, now I'm inside home directory. Okay, you can check by using pwd command. Pwd command means print working directory. So hit enter. So it will show full path of this home directory. Okay, now I want to go inside this ec2-user directory. Simply you can do cd then the ec2, then you can press tab here. It will automatically detect the full name of that directory. Hit tab. See, it has automatically detected the ec2-user directory name. Okay, hit enter. Now I am inside the ec2-user directory. You can check using pwd command. So it will show whole path of this ec2 user. So ec2 user is present inside home directory. Okay, now from here I want to go inside run directory. So simply I can do cd then the full path of that run directory. Slash means this root, then the run. Hit enter and ls. See, I am inside run directory. Okay, now I want to go inside this ec2-user, that previously working directory. Okay, this was my previous working directory. I want to go inside this directory. From here I forgot the path, then simply I can do cd hyphen. So by using this command I can go inside ec2-user previous working directory. Okay, then the cd dot. So by using this command I can go one step back. One step back means this is the first step and this is the second step. Okay, currently I am inside ec2-user directory. I want to go previous directory. It means this one, home. Okay, simply I can type cd dot, hit enter. Now you can see I am inside home directory. Then again cd dot. Again I am go one step back inside root directory. Okay, let me show you one thing. I want to go directly inside this root directory. Then I can type cd slash. This is the one way, and second way is cd dot slash dot. Currently I am inside this ec2-user. First dot means this directory. Okay, home directory. Second dot means root directory. Hit me enter. See, I am inside root directory. Let me clear the screen. Okay, do ls. Let me show you one thing here. cd home. Now ec2-user. Okay, let me do pwd. See, this is the full path of this ec2-user directory. So this first slash, this one. Okay, this first slash, it means this first slash, it means root. Okay, then this second slash is separation. This is not root. This is the root, not this one. Okay, let me type here cd home and the ec2. Okay, this is the root. this first slash means root. After that, this slash and this slash is not root. This is the separations, okay. It means this ec2-user directory is present inside home directory. This means root, okay. This is the root level, top level directory. After that, this is not directory. This slash means separation. Again, this slash means separation. Okay, now second command is ls command. So by using ls, we can list the content, okay. So for listing the content, we can use ls command. See, currently I'm inside the ec2-user directory. So by using ls command, I'm going to list all the content of this directory. So as you can see here, inside ec2-user, there are multiple files and directories are present. Okay, let me go to the root level. Let me do ls here. So inside root, these many directories are present. Okay, from here, I can list the content of this directory, ec2-user directory. How? Okay, let me show you. ls, then the home. Inside home, ec2-user is present, right? So hit enter here. See, I'm currently inside root directory. Still, I am listing all the content of this ec2-user directory. It means you can list all the content of any directory. Okay, suppose I want to list var directory content here. So simply I can do ls, then the var. Hit enter. See, inside var, these many directories are present. Alright, let me show you one command, ls-l. So by using this command, we are getting all the data of that directory. See, this is the bin directory, root directory. It is showing the date, okay. Then it is showing the permissions, root, user and group. All these things it is showing, okay. So it means by using ls-l command, it will show all the data of that directory or file. So this command is very useful to get the permission of that directory or file. Okay, let me clear the screen. Let me show you one more command, l dot. Okay, so it will show the hidden directory. Okay, if you want to see the hidden directory, then you can type this command, l dot. So let me show you l dot and l. So this dot means hidden, okay, hidden directory. L dot, then the hyphen l. So it will show data of this hidden file. See, permission, then the group user, then the date, all this content it is showing related to this .my file. So this is the hidden data. If you want to see the hidden as well as non-hidden data, then you can type ls-a. A means all, okay. It will show all the data, hidden as well as non-hidden. So by using ls command, we can see non-hidden data only. And by using ls-a command, we can see hidden as well as non-hidden data, okay. I mean to say non-hidden directories or files. You can see the details of any directory from here, ls-l and the home. So it will show all the data related to the ec2-user directory. Then if you want to see the manual of any command, then you can simply type man ls. I want to see the manual of ls command. Hit enter. So here you can see all the options like -a. We use this option, right? -a means all. Then the capital A, almost all. Then the -b, capital B, C. So you can see all the options. All the options are available here. So you can use any options. Suppose I want to sort the file size. Then I can use ls-yes. Like that you can use all the options and you can try by yourself. Okay, let me show you man cd as well. So it will show the manual of cd command. See, these many options are present for cd command. Okay, you can check out this. Okay, let me type q. Okay, so that's it for now. We will see or we will learn all the commands step by step. Bye bye.